Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make quickly Anki cards. So we will use some AI help. So let's get straight into it. Now, um, let's start with the AI. So what we are going to do is we will use, basically you can use sites like Anki Dex or this one Ankify. So what you are going to do here is simply just upload an PDF file if you have it on your computer, upload it, and then click create cards right down here. So if you did that, you will see this kind of page here with these questions. So what you can do now is just download to Anki and you will have this summarized top electric vehicle APKG file. And this is the first step basically um, to create cards in Anki. So let's go now and import into the Anki. Okay, so now what you're going to do, down here below at the middle bottom, you will see import file, click on it, and then select this one here, summarize top electric vehicles trends. Now import option, we have this one, import any learning progress, import any deck presets, and yeah, you can decide, then click import button right here. You will see that we have 25 new nodes imported like that. Click show right here, and as you can see we have a bunch of questions, more precise 25. So as you can see we can also edit this right now, but this is not the main thing here now. So now we have imported this PDF basically, so here it is, and if we click on it we can start learning. So we have new learning to review and study now. So now what we can do is basically edit. As you can see here, it's 20% mark share, show the answer, or you have here some shortcuts. Alright, so this is pretty much it, how you can quickly make Anki cards. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.